Welcome back to the N4 Learning channel. So today we're going to use a PC to do all our logic. So we're not going to use a station, we're not going to upload or work live on a station like I normally do. So if you haven't got a controller, you'll be able to use your PC. Now the PC's got to be either Windows based or Linux based. It can't be Mac. And I know it works on Windows 11 because I team viewed into a colleague of mine who wanted some help with some logic, and he was running Windows 11 with N4.10. So we know that this 4.11 or 4.10, and I think 4.9 and 4.8 will work easily on a Windows 11 PC. So what we do first of all to work on this is we've got to put a station on our PC. So go to your host ID up at the top here, right click and open platform. Now the username and password has got to be your username login on your PC and your password on your PC. If you don't have a PC password, then make one, just for this example. So it's already given me my office and my password, so that was my office, what the office PC is called, and that is my password to log into this PC. This is a Windows 10 PC. Like I said, I don't have Windows 11. So we're in there now, and then we need to make a station. So let's make a station. So go up to the tools, go to new station, and let's call this PC station. Now you can't click new controller station. It won't allow you to put a controller station onto a PC, but it will allow you to do a Windows supervisor. So this is the same way of us installing a supervisor at the customer's office, looking at the rest of the controllers, and it can be Linux based or Windows based. We'll use Windows based because that's what we are. Next, set a password. So we'll just put this as password 123. Again, I don't advise you to use that simple password. Use something a bit more complicated, and go finish. Now we've done that station, which is just a normal station. There's nothing as exactly, or with all the default credentials in there. What we're going to do now is we're going to install that onto our PC. So where you've got your platform there, so go back into your platform and go into station copier, take the station and copy it across to your PC. So stations on local host. The host must be commissioned before the station can run there. Okay. Well, I'm sure it doesn't need commissioning. Well, that's not going to help, is it? 4.11, and yet I am in, when I've opened up a station before, I'm in 4.8. So I know why that is. Good, it's happened, but we need to sort it out. I don't know whether it was on a previous video, and I think it was when I changed some AX files to N4 files, and I ran a platform of 4.8. So this doesn't really affect you. You'll be running whatever software you've installed, but I have various softwares of Tridium. So I'm going to close this down. So log off and file, close window, and then I'm going to go into my 4.11, not Distech. Here we go, 4.11, and I'm going to install the platform because I've still got 4.8 installed. Before I do that, let me show you what I mean. If I go to my devices and I scroll down here in the services, not devices, services, and look for Niagara, which is there, you will see this saying 4.8. There you go, Niagara 4.8. Well, that's no good to me. I'm using 4.11 software, so I need to have my platform as 4.11. So that's good, it's happened. At least you can see the issues there. So let's go to 4.11 and install the platform. So that's now installed 4.11. Now let's run 4.11. I like these videos because it tells you it shows you all the mistakes and how you can actually correct the mistakes. It's not a video that's just plain clean and tidy all the way through. If there's a mistake, I show you that and we can move from there onwards. So now I'm going to go into platform. Now I've already made my 4.11 station, because even though it was the platform was at 4.8, it would have still made the station for me. Now I go to station copier, PC station. I don't know why they're, oh yeah, they're there for, I was testing some items. So let's copy that across. Next, next, finish, close window. So I don't need these. These are stuff that I used before. You can keep them there. There's no harm in it. I'm interested in the PC station there. But I don't need these. So this supervisor test station is running. Let's just stop that. Because all I want running is this one station here, the PC station, which is currently now running. So that's now called PC station. As for these, I don't need these anymore. These are just rubbish, but I'll leave them there for now. But I don't need them. So this is the one that's running. You can see it saying running there. So now when I right click my host PC and open up station, I've got to change user because we use password. Oh, I think it'll still be admin. Sorry, I think it'll still be admin. But that's going to be password 123. And now we're in the station. So we can, let's just put in a page. New folder, call it logic. Let's bring some sort of logic across there now. So let's go into our kit control and we'll just bring across views AX wiresheet, and we're bringing across an AND gate. There's our AND gate, and we'll just show you that it is working. Let's just bring across, I'm just a ramp there, ramping up and down. So that's ramping up and down. Let's go and Boolean writable, action set to true. So it's exactly like working on a station now. Put that into there. The output goes true. So there's no difference. You can write your logic on here without having a controller to write it on. And we've set this up as a supervisor as well. Now you can set it up as a station. So it's where I click supervisor, you can actually set it up as a station if you wanted to. So if we go to tools, new station, leave it like that, call it station PC station. Delete existing PC station. Yes, if it was one. Set password. Password 123. Password 123. Finish. So that's my PC station. Go into the platform, application director, station copier. And I can't find it there. PC station. No, that's the one that we've just done. Oh, I've just copied over that. What an idiot. Alright, let's make a new one. Tools, new station, and we go PC station 1. Next. Set password. Password 123. Password 123. Okay. Finish. Now we'll go back into application director, station copier. So there's our PC station 1. Let's just minimize that. Station copier, PC station 1. Yes, yes, finish. Close, nice and fast. So we'll stop that PC station. And that's now running PC station 1. So we'll right click that, which is your host ID, open station, and it was password 123. OK, and there's our PC station now. Nothing in there. Again, we've just so if I open up, add a new folder. Where am I going here? New folder, thank you. And we'll put that as logic 1. There's our logic 1. And what we can do, if you've got more stations up there, we can stop that station. And we can then now run that station. And then when we open up that station, password would probably be already saved for us, he says. Open station. That's gone to station now, and that will have just a logic in there, and it's got some blocks that we put in there. Views, AX wiresheet. Those are the blocks there. So I'm now running that station. And we can do the same with that station. With any of these here that's in there. So I can't remember what that one was. So let's go to application director. Let's stop that station. I don't even remember what the password was, so we may have an issue there. So let's just run that one. So let's start that. Okay, straight away I know where it said Galileo, I know that's a trend. So that's looking for an IQ vision. But let's just see what happens. So 4911. Yeah, so if we pause the output and we go up to the top when we loaded the station, in fact I can't, it's overwritten it now. Well, but look, there's one here. Network fault, invalid license, trend system driver, please contact your local trend dealer, trend history import. That's because we're putting this trend it was a supervisor on this PC which is running 4.11 Tridium, and it's not running the IQ Vision. But I'll just be interested myself now to see what happens with this. So let's open station. I don't know what I did for the password. Not that one. Not that one. I do not know. Let's change user PMK. We're in. We're in. So what have we got here? We've got our trend driver here. I've got our points. Let's see what we've got in files. PX there. Site. Home. So these were graphics that I did for a particular job for another company, but I did it in IQ Vision. Okay, it seems to be just the trend stuff that's not responding. They're standard N4 graphics. Home up there. Welcome PMK. Hours 1. Monitoring, metering. Fans. Why did that come up there in metering? I probably just filled up the space. CHP plant. Boiler pumps. So all this does is graphics. It's got no logic built into it because it's taking the logic from the trend points. All we're doing. So this was a 963 that's now obsolete, and I took the 963 information, loaded it into IQ Vision, and then I've made the graphics for all the points. So it's just a 963 to IQ Vision upgrade. Okay, I think we've exhausted that, so let's put back our other station. So application director, and we'll use just that one. So we'll stop that one first. And let's just take that one from auto start. So we don't want to do that, and we don't want that. That one's now stopped. That doesn't have auto start. That one does have auto start and restart on failure. Let's start that. Running. Open station. It's not going to be that, is it? It's going to be admin. And it's going to be password 1, 2, 3. There we go. And that's our bit of rubbish logic that we wrote. So that's how you set up your PC to be a controller, and you can design and write your logic for that without having a controller. Or that's how you set up a supervisor. And then what you would do is you go into your Niagara network and you bring in all your stations. So you discover your stations on the network and bring them all in. to your main PC supervisor. There is nothing there station-wise on that network. Okay, thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you like what you see, and I'll get you on the next video. Bye.